Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dilip. Let's recap what we had discussed yesterday about Bank Nifty and Nifty, and let's see how the markets reacted today. First of all, let's start with Bank Nifty. Yesterday I was discussing about the prices itself has multiple times got rejected. There was a strong buying around these 49,900 levels, and assume that these buyers will try to take control again. And for any kind of further down move, you need to watch for 49,400 levels to 49,800 levels. If it gets accepted below, the sellers from April and May month, they will try to take control and the prices will likely go for a strong down move. This is what I was mentioning. For if you look at today, what happened in Bank Nifty is that the price itself has opened inside the value area just around the closing point of yesterday, and then immediately it started going up. As the prices went up, there was a strong imbalances all the way up to 50,800 levels from 50,600 levels. These imbalances, they acted as a very strong resistance, and also remember, these imbalances, they attract the prices. Yesterday I was also mentioning, if Bank Nifty gets accepted above 50,200 levels, it will likely go for 50,600 levels in futures. So the high itself is around 50,700 levels, and then there was a failed auction in E period, and prices started coming down with a shake off in 115 candle. For tomorrow, what you should be looking is that there is a strong PPOC, and the low itself at 49,995 is a poor low, and at the same time the low of today is open lows within value area. So because once the prices gets accepted inside value area, there is a good possibility the whole value area will get covered. So because there is a strong imbalances on the top side, it got rejected, and there is a good possibility tomorrow itself it will likely come down to 50,130 levels, and it might even clear out the 50,000 levels. So for any kind of down move, the 49,400 to 49,800 levels itself stands. Any sustaining below these levels on 1 hour to 2 hours, we can safely assume that sellers might be taking control. So for any kind of further up move, guys, I think yesterday I was speaking about Bank Nifty needs to sustain above 50,100 to 150 levels. So this is where the multi-day balance low has formed, and yesterday prices have broken down from this multi-day balance low. If at all, again, if there is going to be a inside opening, there is a possibility it could be a sideway market one more day, because there is a strong one time framing market yesterday. So whenever you see these kind of strong one time framing market, which is also a kind of imbalance, markets tend to revisit this one time framing market to balance out. This is with Bank Nifty, guys. Coming to Nifty, guys, yesterday what I was speaking, not only yesterday, from last few days, I was mentioning this 23,320 levels to 23,400 levels. It will get revisited. It's only matter of time. The reason why the prices are holding is that some buyer, despite of prices strong acceptance inside 22nd November, some buyer is coming around this 23,650 to 700 levels. So this buyer is trying to hold it. So but eventually, because the prices got accepted, one day when there is going to be a strong volatility, it will come down to this 23,320 to 400 levels. And also, let me tell you guys, there will be a up move. There won't be any kind of 5,000 or 7,000 points down move like it happened in COVID. Turnaround point, it's very tricky. So likely it might go for 23,300. It might even go for 22,000 also, because multiple gaps are there around this area. Today what happened is opening itself is inside the value area, but then what happened, once the prices have opened inside the value area, it tested the single print at 23,880, which has formed yesterday. But then because of the single print acts as a resistance, it immediately came down, but then again immediately went up. So it went into a pure sideway market, forming a strong PPOC at 23,820 levels. So for tomorrow, what you should be looking, there is a good possibility it will be a sideway market around 1 hour. So whenever you see this strong kind of value, it will be a sideway market. Now I'm expecting there could be a sideway market inside this value area. So today it has got rejected around the lower part of single print around 23,890 levels. It might go for tomorrow 23,700 and 23,650 levels. But most of the time, from what I have seen from experience, it will be a sideways market whenever you see this kind of strong value. If at all there is going to be a, let's say, moderate gap up or anything, there is a strong unfinished business of 2.7k. So with these single prints, there will be a strong selling again coming in. Limit sellers who are selling at these lower levels, they find the higher prices as good areas to short again, so they aggressively come with aggressive and limit orders. So the prices will come down to this closing point, and it will likely cover the whole value area because there is a strong acceptance. If at all there is going to be a moderate gap down inside yesterday's value area, again there is a possibility prices will move towards the today's value area because of strongest value today. It might even go up to 23,880 levels. If you're keen on learning order flow and market profile, go through the playlist which I'm attaching at the end of this video. So this is with Nifty, guys. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.